You will need to make sure that in the Home tab and in the Layers section of the ribbon, so if I click on the Layer Properties and look in the Layer Properties Manager, you should have a center layer, hidden layer, a projection planes layer, and a visible layer. For the projection planes layer, we want to make sure that we select the printer under the plot column. We want to make sure we turn that layer off so that layer will not be printed. So we'll close the Layer Properties Manager and make sure that our projection planes layer is the one that is the current layer. What we're going to do is create the projection planes for the multi-view drawing for the base part. And we're going to use the rectangle tool in order to draw those projection layers. So in the Home tab, in the Draw section of the ribbon, we want to locate the rectangle command. Once you locate the rectangle command, you will select that command. You'll bring your cursor into the model space drawing area anywhere and click. In order to create the front view projection plane, we will type in the length of the part and the height of the part. So the overall length of the part was 7.25. So in order to create this rectangle, we're going to hold our Shift key down and type in 2. That is going to give us the @ symbol. And then we will type in 7.25 for the length, comma, 3.312 for the height, and press enter. That will create the projection plane for the front view. Next, we will create the projection plane for the right side view. But before we do that, we have to make sure there is enough space between the front projection plane and the projection plane we're going to create for the right side view. And we're going to make sure there are at least 3 inches of distance between the front view and the right side view. To do that, we're going to use our line tool that's in the Draw section of the ribbon. So we'll click on the line tool and we will move our cursor and find the end point of the bottom right corner of the front view projection plane. So once we find that end point, we're going to click and drag the cursor to the right. In our drafting tools at the bottom, let's make sure that our ortho mode is turned on. So on the ortho mode, we're going to click on it to select it, and it should turn blue. This will make sure that when we create this line, that it is parallel to the x-axis. So we're going to drag the line out. We're going to type in the number 3 and press enter. And then you will press your escape key on your keyboard to end the command.